Crafting with Crystal. My name is Crystal McEwen Best, and I'm the creative director of House of Cards TT. I've partnered with Nalis Adult Public Library to bring you a fun and easy craft that you can do with your family and you can create something beautiful every week. Today's craft is paper pinwheels. Now, paper pinwheels are a really fun and exciting craft. You can use it for a room decoration. For example, I'll show you. This is my son's room. See how pretty that is? The entire spray, different sizes, different colors. So I'm going to show you how to make this today. But not only your room decoration, paper pinwheels are great for party decorations. They're great for weddings. You would not believe how many persons use these for weddings. So you can feel free to stay tuned and let me show you what you will need to make them. So this is your materials list that you'll need, okay? So you're gonna need a few sheets of paper. I like construction paper because it's light and it is easy to fold because this is a folding project, obviously. So today I'm gonna be making an orange one, right? So just construction paper, it's very light and nice and most kids have it laying around the house. If you don't have construction paper, you can use printing paper or any kind of paper that you have. Even, you know what you can use? Even like a sheet out of a notebook. Yeah, you can use that as well. You'll need a pair of scissors. So we'll ask you to please stay safe with scissors and have the adult do the cutting if this is a child doing the project. Glue, tape, or a stapler. So just in case you don't have glue lying around or tape in your house, you could use a stapler. You need to find something you can trace a circle with. Now you can use a cup. I have a pack of cookie cutters here. So, you know, anything, cookie cutters, there's a nice side that it's scalloped. So you could actually, I'll show you a scalloped one. It's actually really pretty. And I'll show you what this is for. It'll be nice if you have some cardstock. Cardstock is just a thicker paper, but if you don't have cardstock, I'll show you how you could make paper just a bit thicker so we could, that's for the middle here. Yeah, it's nice if this is a bit thicker, that it holds it together really firmly. And a ruler and a pencil. And that's it. Let's get started. I'm going to take my camera down a notch so you can see what I'm doing. So you won't be seeing my face, but you'll be seeing my, right. Yeah? Hello. So what I want you to do in the first instance is take one sheet of paper and you can either measure it and draw a line or you can fold it in half and cut it. I like measuring it. So this sheet of paper is 9 inches. So I'm going to mark it at 4.5 inches on each side like this and like so. And then I'm going to do this, join it, and then I'm going to cut it. Yeah. So take it and you're going to cut the actual sheet of paper. Trying to keep it all in one video for you. Yeah. It's cut. Now you're going to need about 3 of these for this size paper pinwheel. So what I am going to do is I've had some I pre-cut so I don't have to do too much cutting on the screen. Boom, right? Now, what you want is for this you're going to take one and start folding. So based on doing the paper pinwheel, what you want to do is have this, see what I did there? I made one fold and then I'm going to fold it the other way like this. So you're going to loosely fold it in a fan fold. You all know what a fan fold is. You've all made a fan in church to fan yourself when it was very hot before we had AC in churches. Lucky kids now. And, and you're going to fold back and forth, right? And we could probably... right? What I like to do is I like to just fold like this in my hand because I can. So if you have an adult helping you fold it, you could let them fold it in their hands like this. right? So I want you to do it with me. So I don't want to, you know, people have things prepared and it's just sitting there waiting just to show you. But I want to show you that I'm doing it with you. If it gets a little long on one side, like it's happening with mine, it's no problem, right? Just make sure and keep folding. What we're going to do for the next two is we're going to fold them together and see how that works out, right? So I have pretty much done one. So you need two more of these. So it should look like this. See? Right. So now you need to fold the other two. So you're doing it with me. Come, let's go now. 1 inch. Or maybe like a 1/2 inch fold. You don't want it too big, right? Remember, you can do this in any color at all. Any, you can use any kind of paper that you find around your house. You don't have to. You don't have to have construction paper specifically for this. Yeah. Hope you guys are safe at home with your families. Let me know in the comment section how you're liking this craft. If you'll make it to put in your little child's room. I'm going to show you some really, really cool ones that you can do to decorate your child's room. Ones with their name on it. You're going to see it's so gorgeous. Ones with different themes. Right. Yeah. And what you're going to do, since you finished this one, is you're going to separate them. Yay! So we did 2 and 1. So if you think it's waste, you know, you'll take too much time to do it, you won't. You can do it anyhow you want to. So now we have 3. I'm not sure if we'll need 4. Let's see it. We'll test it together. Right? So now all you're going to do is join these so it becomes like this. Right? So we're going to put a little bit of glue. And then we're going to stick this down. I hope you're seeing. Let me know. All right, and we're going to leave this to dry. Then we're going to take the other one. And let's use a stapler for this one and see how it works out. You know, as I told you, you can, you know, if you don't have glue at hand, because I don't think a lot of the stores that are selling glue. See what I'm doing? I'm just stapling it together. And it sticks it together just like the glue. And we get a long, nice piece just like this. So let's bring it together. Make sure it's all right. And then this is the big thing now. Let's see if it will all come together. Yes, it will. I know. It takes 2 hands, but I'm going to show you how you can do it with 1. Yeah. Look how cute that looks already. It's done. It's pretty much done. So now that we know that it's going to fit together nicely, we're going to put this aside and make the center. Take your piece of cardstock. If you don't have a piece of cardstock, what I want you to do is cut like more than 1 pieces of paper and then stick them together. We're going to use the cardstock. Drop it in there. Get your trusty pencil. Draw a circle, draw another circle. So I have 2 circles, see? And then cut the circle out. As straight as you can. And I'm going to show you in the other one, I'm not going to cut the circle out straight, but I'm going to cut the circle out with scallops so that you can have a different design on each side of your paper pinwheel. So let's get to cutting. See, I'm cutting. Boop, all done. And let's cut the other one. This one we're going to cut a little bit fancy. Going to go in and out and in and out. Let's see how this looks. Because my hand isn't cutting this very straight. Make sure at least keep a part of it on the line. It's really fun to do. So you see what I'm doing? I'm making scallops. Go up and down and up and down. Kids should have a lot of fun with sticking these together. My son surely loves making these. He makes them with me all the time. And this one, look how pretty that is. It's scallops. Right, let's get to it now. We're going to put this aside. We're done with the scissors. We're done with the stapler. And we're going to make our paper pinwheel. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to put glue on one side again. On the last side, I should say. And then we're going to bring the other side around. Really simple like so. Or actually easier is if you do it like this. Yeah. Stick it together and then we'll open it. If any glue leaks, just take it up and wipe it off on a piece of paper. Yeah, it's really simple. I can't, look how good we stuck it. I can't even find where it's joined. Right here. Press it down for a little bit. Make sure it's stuck, but you don't want it coming out, right? And then put it up like this and then push the insides in and down. Boom, it's done, right? Okay, so you have your pinwheel made. What you're going to do now is you're going to take the circle and put glue. Now, I am going to use a glue gun because it sticks faster and I want to show you how this looks finished. If you have a glue gun at home, you can use it. This is an optional piece of optional material that you can use. But I don't want people who don't have glue guns to think, oh, I can't make it because I don't have a glue gun. What will happen is if you don't have a glue gun and you're using regular glue, you're going to have to put the glue, stick it, and then put something on top that's not too heavy to hold it down so that it can stick. You see this glue is stuck already with the glue gun. So I can flip it over quickly and show you how to stick the other side. With regular glue, I could never do that because it wouldn't stick as fast because of these little tiny pieces here that it has to stick onto, okay? So feel free to use your glue gun if you have to for this section. If you don't have one, you can use regular glue. And we're done. And this is it. This is your pinwheel. How fun is that? And how pretty is that? Right? So you see the one we did. It's all done. Let me take you back up so you can see me. Hello. Right. And I'm going to show you some samples of ones that I've made to show you how really versatile this is and what some of the other things you can do really quickly. So we have to end the video. Right. So this is the one we made today. Very nice. Very simple. All right. This is one that I made before just to show you how it can look. See, this is glitter paper that I use. So of course, if you don't have glitter paper at home, you would make this now when the bookstore's open and you could get glitter paper, then you can get it, right? And this is scalloped. See how pretty that is with a scallop? Yeah. Then I'm going to show you just the greatest one. My son's name is Chase. So I made one for him with his names. You can print letters out, or you can even draw letters out, and you can cut it out and you can make this for your child. This is just 3 circles. So 1 circle in the middle and 2 behind, and then their name going across it. Or you can even print their name and then stick their name here. Simple. Yeah. And then this is just a regular circle one. Check these out. This is a C for Chase. Yeah. And then I did a B for his last name, which is Best, which is my last name. And then what we can do is you can put it like this. So can you imagine how cute this would look above his bed? Or even like that. But I like this a little better. Yeah, so we have initial paper pinwheels. Then you have hearts. You know, you can't go wrong with hearts. There's a big one, there's a little one. So this is what... To make the bigger pinwheel, all you need, so you see how we made our paper 4.5 inches, right? You can make 5 inches, 6, you can make 9 inches, do the whole page, and you'll get a gigantic pinwheel, which looks really nice. And then just make the circle in the middle bigger, right? So hearts, circle, I think behind here is the B, right? And then this is glitter paper, again for a boy this time. And then there's a star. So then, see, Chase with a star or a bra, right? So That's it for our craft today. And this is me saying thank you so much for spending the time in my craft with me. Thank you for crafting. Make sure and follow Nalis on Facebook. They have a page on Facebook. Just look for Nalis. Also, you can find House of Cards TT on Facebook and Instagram. Exactly at House of Cards TT. And give your girl a like and a follow. See what cool things I've been up to and what cool thing I've been creating. Feel free to comment under this video. Tell me what type of craft you want to see. We will take all your recommendations into consideration and design our program to suit. And I think that's it. I hope you have a happy rest of your day and stay crafty, my friends.